Did you know that nearly 60% of adults experience nighttime leg cramps, waking up in pain and frustration? If you've ever been jolted awake by that sharp, stabbing sensation, you're not alone. And today, we're breaking down how to stop it for good. Nighttime leg cramps aren't just a minor inconvenience. They're a painful disruption that can steal your sleep and affect your quality of life. These sudden, intense muscle contractions strike without warning, leaving many people feeling helpless. But the good news? You can take actionable steps to reduce and even eliminate them. In this video, we'll explore why these cramps happen, what you might be doing to trigger them, and the best strategies to prevent them from ruining your nights. Leg cramps often have multiple causes, from dehydration and overworked muscles to medical conditions like nerve issues or mineral deficiencies. For some, simply not moving enough throughout the day can be a trigger. For others, factors like poor circulation, tight muscles, or even sleeping in awkward positions contribute. If left unchecked, these cramps can lead to disrupted sleep patterns, increased stress, and even chronic discomfort. Understanding what's causing your cramps is the first step towards stopping them. Let's break down the most effective ways to prevent and alleviate nighttime leg cramps. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is key, but it's all about balance. Drinking too little water can lead to dehydration and muscle tightness, but drinking excessive amounts can dilute your body's electrolytes, throwing off the balance of magnesium, potassium, and sodium, minerals that are critical for muscle function. To stay balanced, drink water steadily throughout the day and incorporate electrolyte-rich options like coconut water. Stretch regularly. Stretching is one of the most effective ways to prevent nighttime cramps. Focus on these 3 stretches. Calf stretch. Stand facing a wall with your hands pressed against it. Step 1 foot back, keeping it straight, and your heel pressed to the floor. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with one leg extended straight and the other bent, with your foot tucked against your thigh. Reach toward your toes on the extended leg, holding the stretch for 30 seconds, then switch. This stretch can also be done while seated on an exercise ball or chair. Sit with both feet flat on the floor and your back straight. Extend one leg straight out in front of you, resting your heel on the floor with your toes pointing up. Keep your knee straight but not locked. Keeping your back straight, hinge forward at the hips, not the waist, and slowly lean toward the extended leg. You should feel a gentle stretch in your hamstring. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, then return to an upright position. Switch legs and repeat the stretch on the other side. Standing quad stretch. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, using a wall, chair, or sturdy surface for balance if needed. Shift your weight onto one foot and bend the opposite knee, bringing your heel toward your glutes. Reach back with the same side hand and grasp your ankle or the top of your foot. Keep your thighs aligned and your knee pointing straight down. Avoid letting your knee flare outward. Engage your core and stand up straight, keeping your chest lifted. You should feel a stretch along the front of your thigh, your quadriceps. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, then release and switch to the other leg. This stretch can also be done while lying face down or on your side. If you can't reach your foot, you can use a towel or strap looped around your ankle to assist. Make sure you're not arching your lower back. Engage your core to keep your spine neutral. Doing these stretches throughout the day and before bed can improve muscle flexibility and reduce cramping. Boost your diet. Diet plays a crucial role in preventing nighttime leg cramps, as certain minerals help regulate muscle contractions and relaxation. Prioritizing foods rich in magnesium, potassium, and calcium can support muscle function and reduce the likelihood of cramping. Foods such as nuts, seeds, spinach, and whole grains contain magnesium, which can help muscles relax. Bananas, sweet potatoes, and avocados are excellent sources of potassium to keep your muscles functioning properly. Dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified plant milks all contain calcium, which plays a crucial role in muscle contraction. These minerals work together to regulate muscle function, so eating a balanced diet is crucial. Adjust your sleep position. How you sleep can significantly affect blood flow and muscle tension. Elevating your legs slightly with a pillow placed under your knees can reduce the likelihood of cramps. This position relaxes the knee and hip joint, taking tension off the legs. If you often sleep curled up, Try straightening your legs more to avoid tightening the muscles. Consider supplements. If dietary adjustments aren't enough, supplements can help fill the gaps, but they're not a guaranteed fix. Magnesium, in particular, is often suggested for cramp relief, but studies have shown mixed results. Some individuals with a magnesium deficiency may experience fewer cramps after supplementing, while others may not see any difference. If you're considering a magnesium supplement, consult a healthcare provider to determine if it's right for you. For those who prefer topical options, magnesium creams or sprays might be beneficial. These products allow magnesium to be absorbed through the skin, providing targeted relief to cramp-prone muscles. Some people find this method gentler on the stomach compared to oral supplements. While evidence is still limited, many report improved muscle relaxation with regular use. Overall, while supplements can be helpful for those with deficiencies, they shouldn't replace a balanced diet. The best approach is to focus on whole foods and hydration, while considering supplements as a potential addition if needed. The key to solving nighttime leg cramps lies in understanding your own body. For some, a simple fix like staying hydrated or adjusting their sleeping position can make a world of difference. For others, it might take a combination of changes, like stretching and improving their diet. These cramps are not something you have to live with, and addressing them now can lead to better sleep and overall health. Taking consistent, proactive steps is the turning point toward cramp-free nights. What methods have you tried to stop leg cramps? Let us know in the comments what works for you. And if you're looking for even more tips to improve your sleep, check out our video, 8 Foods to Improve Sleep, linked in the description. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos and keep your body in balance with the Balanced Body Project.